martial arts, and the effort to improve myself in this particular sport secured me and provided me with various skills. Always with patience and concentration in my practice, I managed to do many things that were impossible before. One of them has to do with the issue of balance, which need mental and physical concentration. Today I will try to show you a balance exercise for me that helped me a lot because I work out and my body at the same time. Please do not try to do this at home with special training because it is more dangerous than it seems. So without special training or a personal trainer, please don't try this at home. And now let's try to remove the two bottles. As you can see, it's real bottles and no stuck. The two bottles push-ups is really hard, but is an excellent exercise to practice your balance. I hope you stay with me until the end of this video. Tell me below in the comments if you like this kind of exercises. I'll see you next time. Until then,